Both y'all just fight.
Maybe these men will do that.
Alright? It's a mental game for us. It's super mental. Y'all understand me?
Yes, sir.
We don't want to go in too hyped up, and we definitely don't want to go in too low. It's going to be a 4-quarter game to seal the deal.
Yeah.
Alright? Now, I'm predicting that we handle these boys, but the only way we do it, the way we're supposed to do it, is if we stay balanced and even mentally. Execute every single play. Focus on your job every single play. If we block how we supposed to, and we tackle like we supposed to, and show our physicality, we will dominate this team. I promise y'all, we will dominate this team. Block like we supposed to. Block like your life depended on it. Y'all understand me?
Yes, sir.
We already know it's a war sport. Put your life on the line today.
Yeah.
Put it all on the line today. Let's accomplish something that we have never done as a unit, as individuals. I don't think nobody here has won the state championship yet. Let's do something. Let's make history as a unit. But we got to put it all on the line today. That's blocking. That's tackling. That's pass coverage. If we say blue and that means stay over top, God damn it, stay over top. If we stay even based in our mentality, play a smooth game, it doesn't matter what they do, we'll still come out with the win. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Be ready. Who knows who's gonna step up and make the key plays today? I think it's everybody. Good pregame.
Tight.
Yeah, break it down. Time. Get y'all equipment on after this. Let's go.
Hard on me, hard on 3. 1, 2, 3. Hard.
Until we play one of the biggest games we've ever played in our team. Y'all hear me?
Yes, sir.
About 20 minutes, all right? Don't think about nothing that's happened in the past. Lock in on the moment. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Lock in on the moment. Even if you felt some type of way in pregame just a couple of minutes ago, your pregame wasn't the best that you wanted it to be. Lock in on the moment. Don't worry about the past. The pregame has passed. Now it's time to get ready to play. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
We haven't worked our asses off to get here and fucking lose. Y'all understand me?
Yes, sir.
You play like your fucking life depended on it today. Do y'all understand me?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you something, I'm built different for real. When I cry, it don't mean that I'm about to shut down, it means that I'm ready to go to war. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm ready to die for this shit. Y'all gotta go out there and be ready to ball out. Don't leave nothing on the field today. No what ifs, no nothing. All the work we done, I put it on my life. They coach just came up to me before we walked up here. He said, it's the honest to God truth. They coach just came up to me and said, I've been watching y'all since OTB Spring. Since spring. We don't give a fuck about them. They've been watching us for a reason. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That man came up to me and said they've been watching us since spring. He been doing it for a reason. He asked me on Facebook months ago, what you think y'all playing? What y'all D1 or y'all D2? He swore we was D1. I told him D2, and the response that he gave me 2 months ago was, oh shit, I think we're gonna have to play y'all. And he knows now everything that he's been seeing since spring. We've been posting because we don't give a fuck. We know this shit. Everything that he's been watching on my page from the spring till now, he knows that his team is in for it. All we gotta do is go out there mentally ready. We already physically built for this. Road to nationals, all the hitting, all the running. I'm telling you right now, they are not built like us. They haven't worked as hard as us, and they don't fucking deserve it more than we do. They don't deserve it more than we do. Do y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
So don't give me no bullshit out here today. You put your whole entire life into this. Some of y'all built for this shit. Just some of y'all take it to the next level. You play your life and put your all into this today. Do y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Don't play around. From the first quarter to the fourth, lock in mentally. We already physically know we better. But are we gonna show up mentally? Fuck the physical part because we already built that part up. It's the mental part, fellas. We gotta go out there and execute. And if we do what we're supposed to do for 4, not 1 or 2, but for 4 quarters, I guarantee you we walk away with the state championship. But y'all gotta want it just as bad as I do. I can't want it more than y'all. The coaching staff can't want it more than y'all. Now I put my heart into this shit. Y'all did too. Y'all put your heart into this. So don't let it slip for nothing. Don't give it up for nothing. You hold on to everything that we work for and y'all gonna win the state championship today. Y'all understand that?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, man.
Tight.
Let's go. Panthers on 3.
Who clap? Let somebody hand loose. Let somebody hand loose. Who got my back? I got your back. 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 One team. One unit. One unit. One team. Hard work. Hard work.
Heads, stars, tails. Tails, that's heads.
Mic check.
All the now. Heads. Got it. What do you want to do? You want the ball. Which way you want to kick? Put your backs over here, Cal. Put those backs over there.
Kick off, let's do it. One step up.
What the fuck? Y'all slide over. Stone it.
Move. Why did KJ move?
That's the way to block. That's the way to block. That's the way to block. That's the way to block, man.
foul ball, isn't it, right?
Towards the end, we got shaky, y'all. It's a great, defense, y'all had them all the way back here. And then we started letting them get out here. Defense, keep y'all foot on their neck and make
TC, let's go! Good job! Good job, man!
Sir. Bob with reception. Catches is ready.
Favorite top, baby!
Pass intended for number 11.
They're going deep!
Ball on the ground. Ball on the ground. Recovered by Dawson.
They're going deep! They double teaming you!
Ball over the middle.
Conference champions, now they about to be state champions, man. Best TU in the state, man. Get with it, man. The 8300.
Good job.
Hey, D2 state champions. Y'all know what it is. Let's go. 10U to the Hurricanes. Clap it up.
Good job, fellas.
On behalf of AYF North Carolina, I'd like to present to the Panthers D2 10U state champions.
Record. Come and see you live all the way from North Carolina. Man, they told me Louisiana. Come and see you live from North Carolina. Official Christian on sports and I'm with better known as
300 boys. 300 boys.
It was rocky in the beginning now. Heck of a game, heck of a team. You played against the Hurricanes, but you guys came up victorious. Let's talk about this team. Where you guys from? Tell everybody who you are and where you from.
So we're the Southeast Raleigh Panthers from Raleigh, North Carolina. We're the 10U team. This is a second-year team from this organization. Man, listen, all I gotta say about this team right here is we've been working our butts off since the summer, since the season ended last year to get back to this point. And as you can see, we came out with the victory. All I can say is, man, we the hardest working 10U team in North Carolina. And if you want to see, you can look it up on YouTube. We work hard and we got the results that we was looking for.
Jabari Crenshaw has been putting in that work along with his staff of coaches. Coach, what's your name? Doug. Coach. Steve. Steph. Coach Doug. That's what I call you Coach Microphone. Go ahead. Coach Mark. Coach Mark. Chris. Coach Chris, best name on earth. What's up? Bobby. Bobby. Kid, you got a whole time on your head. Coach Kid back there, he looking like one of the kids. Coach Kid. What's up, Coach? Bobby. Coach Bobby. Coach Rick. Coach Rick. Mike. Coach Mike. Listen, he got an NFL staff. Obviously, every position got 3 coaches, man. Listen, it's going down. This is the Panthers, heck of a team. I saw him perform yesterday, and I got to talk to my guy. Come on, Big 33. Come on, Big 33. You know the big boy dance? Get to Hey, next time you see me, have that dance ready. So when you do something magnificent, say, get big boy, you get up and be like, big boy, just like that, all right? This is my guy. Yesterday I did an interview with him. Follow the interview, look at I posted it yesterday. I talked to this young man specifically about today. And to what he did today is what you told me you was gonna do yesterday. Say your first and last name, young man.
Zidane Thompson.
One more time.
Zidane Thompson.
What's your position?
Defensive tackle.
Hey, heck of a game today. You did your thing. Who's your favorite player in the NFL?
Justin Jefferson.
Hey, what college would you like to go to?
LSU.
If you don't know, I'm from the South Mississippi. I'm an Alabama man, but I take LSU any day. Let's get it rocking. Let's get it rocking. This young man showed out today. Tell everybody your first and last name again.
Zidane Thompson.
Hey, you have any Instagram, anything you want the people to follow you on? Hey, listen, keep up with the Panthers. Keep up with the Panthers. This is number 33. This is my big man.
Hey to my grandma.
Hey, grandma. Hey, what's your name? One more time. Hey, grandma Nitty, you feeding him good stuff. I don't know what it is. Go back to the back for me. Hey, listen, and another young man I talked to yesterday showed out. Come up here, number 11. If you don't know, this young man showed out. ESPN.
That's him.
That's his name.
The highlight reel.
Highlight reel. Listen, yesterday I talked about this young man and talked to this young man, and he was up here with his partner 33, and they did exactly what y'all said y'all was gonna do. Hats off to you. How was it playing in today's game, leading the charge, being victorious, and taking your team to Maryland?
It feels great. It feels great. But we're not done. We're not done.
Hey, tell the people your first and last name and your position.
James Ferguson, and I play quarterback, running back, receiver, linebacker, and DN.
All 11 positions. He's a kicker, the runner, the donor, punter, everything. Listen, the young man showed out with this marvelous team he has. Hey, this team is stacked and ready to go. I'm happy you guys are leading North Carolina. Anything you want to tell the people?
Thank you for coming out.
Hey, listen, what college you want to go to?
LSU.
LSU. Who's your favorite player?
AJ Brown.
If you don't know, look him up. This young man is phenomenal. I know you guys got a chant for me, right? Hey.
Landon, break it down, birthday boy.